This is a very brief video on pH indicators. These are important because we use them in lab just to indicate the general pH of a solution. Also, we use them extensively in titrations to indicate the end point of a titration, which is hopefully close to the equivalence point of the titration. And there's more about pH indicators in the titrations video, which will come after this one. So this is a picture from the textbook of universal indicator at various pHs. So on the left is green, which is pH 7. And then these are all different salts and their respective pHs. And so you can see that sodium chloride is a neutral salt, right? So it has a pH of 7. Ammonium chloride is an acidic salt, as is aluminum chloride, and so those both have pHs below 7. The yellow and the red are below 7, and then the blue and the purple are above 7, and those would be the sodium cyanide and ammonium carbonate that are shown there are all greater than 7. Here is methyl red, which goes from yellow to red, and there's an intermediate color that's orange. That's a mixture of the two different colored molecules. On the right is probably the most popular indicator that we use for titrations, which is phenolphthalein, which has a transition range between 8 and 10. So you can see that it is colorless at acidic pH. 2, 4, 5, and 7 are all colorless solutions, and then it transitions to a very pale pink at 9, and then a very intense fuchsia pink at 10 and higher. This chart indicates several different indicators and their respective pH color transitions. So you would choose an indicator appropriately depending on the purpose of that indicator, to discern between two different solutions perhaps, or to use as an indicator in a pH in a neutralization reaction titration.